Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yayla Miss Shayelle, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this super cute low sleek drawstring ponytail look. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's hop straight into this video. So starting off, I am starting on freshly blow dried hair because it's going to match the texture of this hair even better. So this is from the brand from ToAllMyBlackGirls, and this is their kinky straight 20-inch drawstring ponytail. And if you guys have seen a previous tutorial from me, I did curl the hair, and those curls are still in that hair, so I am going to be straightening out those curls to give it that straight look. But I'm going ahead and I'm going to do a middle part. That's the look for this, and I felt like blow dried hair would look perfect because since the hair is kinky straight, blow dried texture is going to match this hairstyle even better. So I'm just going ahead and splitting my hair, and I'm going to take my Babyliss Pro flat iron and just flat iron my edges. That is it, just so that it can lay down a little bit better for even more sleek type of look. So I'm just going in and flat ironing my edges. That's it. There's not going to be any other flat ironing for this. It's just the edges, and that's optional, of course. You don't have to do that, especially if you don't want to put any extra heat on your hair, but that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to be using the Lovely Bees edge control to help lay down my hair in flyaways, and I'm also going to be using my hair growth oil from my brand Lavish Curls, and that's just to encourage hair growth because I look at this as a protective style. So I am going to go ahead and use that Lavish Curls hair growth oil to apply to my scalp to help moisturize it and encourage hair growth. And if you guys haven't already checked out my hair growth oil, it will be in the description box below. Go get yours and get those inches, girl. So yes, I'm just going ahead and applying that all over before going into styling. So on that first half of my head, I'm going to go ahead and take that Lovely Bees edge control and just start applying it all over the perimeter of my hair just to help lay down the hair and get it nice and sleek. And then I'm taking my board bristle brush and I'm going to go ahead and smooth that edge control all throughout my hair. And what I really like about this brand To All My Black Girls, it's catered to black women and our black hair texture and just matching our hair. Like, it's extensions and drawstring ponytails, wigs, all kind of stuff that is targeted towards looking like the texture of our actual hair. So now I'm going ahead and doing the other side of my hair. I'm just applying my Lavish Curls hair growth oil, and then I am going to go ahead and use that Lovely Bees edge control. And the reason I work on one side of my head and then the other is because I have thick hair, and it's really hard if I try to do it all at once. By splitting my hair into two, it just makes it way easier, especially if you have thick hair like I do. So splitting it into two helps a ton. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and brushing, and also not forgetting my kitchen area. I'm going to try to slick that out as well. And then I'm taking all the hair and combining it into one so I can get that nice low ponytail going. And I do have some shorter hairs in the front, so that's why you're seeing me go in and apply a little bit of extra gel on my sides, because I did recently cut the front of my hair some, so it might not all fit into the ponytail as good. So I do need a little bit of extra gel just to have some extra hold when I am doing this hairstyle. So I'm going ahead and taking two Goody Brunch scrunchies. That's what I always use usually when I'm putting my hair into a style, because it secures it and it doesn't have any metals that are going to tug or pull at my hair. And then I'm just going to go ahead and smooth that a little bit more, and then I'm going to go in on my baby hairs with that same Lovely Bees edge control. So you can basically use this edge control to slick your hair, but you can also use it for your baby hairs. It works all in one, and it's a super good edge control. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and swooping some baby hairs, getting it to my liking, and yeah, I'm gonna let you guys just watch me work. But yeah, the To All My Black Girls, the drawstrings are bomb, and it's like 220 grams, so it's really thick hair, because you know, like, a lot of our hair is typically thick, and it just gives you that full appearance. It's not going to be like some stingy hair where it's thin. You know how some hair is thin? This hair is nice and full. So I went ahead and put my hair into a braid and wrapped it around to a bun. And these are just the clips that are in the drawstring ponytail. This one specifically has 4 clips, so it is a bit more secure on your hair. So I'm going ahead and loosening that up, and then I'm going to place all 4 clips around my bun, and then I'm just going to secure it. I'm just going to pull that drawstring in, and that's how you secure the ponytail onto your head. And once that's nice and secure in the way I like it, I'm just gonna go ahead and take that string and begin to wrap it around so that it's not showing. You want to wrap it around, and then I'm taking a bobby pin, and you're gonna see me place that on the end tip of the drawstring, and I'm going to wrap it around and secure it in place. So I wrapped it around, and I'm just gonna push it into my hair to secure the ponytail. Okay, it's not going nowhere. And then I'm taking a section. Okay, so this is where I'm going to go ahead and straighten out my hair now. So this hair already comes straightened, but like I said, I had curled it previously, so I'm just taking those curls out. But this step you won't have to do when it comes already straightened. So I'm just going ahead and showing you guys that you can actually get this hair a little bit more straighter. If you don't want it to look as kinky, you can straighten it a little bit more to give it that more sleek look. But of course, it's going to have texture to it. This hair is kinky straight, and it's going to have texture. And they do offer different styles on the website for the drawstrings, so go ahead and check that out as well. So I'm just taking a section from the back, I'm taking a piece, and I'm going to wrap that around, and that just makes the hairstyle look a little bit more realistic when there's a piece of hair wrapped around it. So I'm going ahead and wrapping that around and securing that in place, and that is basically it for this hairstyle. There's not much to it. I'm just going to sleek it a little bit more, make sure I've got any flyaways, and that's basically the look. This hairstyle looks so realistic, and that's one thing I really like about this hair. So I will include a discount code. It will be in the description box below. Make sure you check out To All My Black Girls. They have such a good variety of hair for our hair texture, and yeah, it just looks really bomb. You get a nice little protective style look, and yeah, use your hair growth oil. See, look how natural that looks, that little wrap around, and it's really thick hair, y'all. It makes you look like you got so much hair on your head. I just love it. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is a full little look of the inches that you get. The full look is full from root to tip, guys. This hair is bomb. So I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.